The ancient Olympics were a series of athletic competitions held in ancient Greece, beginning in 776 BCE and continuing for nearly 12 centuries. These games were not only a celebration of physical prowess but also held deep cultural and religious significance. Let's delve into the origins of the ancient Olympics and explore the various athletic competitions that took place during this remarkable event. Historical and cultural context. A. Ancient Greece. The birthplace of the Olympics. Ancient Greece was a collection of city-states that shared a common language, culture, and religious beliefs. B. Religious significance. The ancient Olympics were dedicated to the Greek god Zeus and were held in his honor as part of a religious festival. Origins of the ancient Olympics. A. Mythological origins. According to legend, the Olympics were founded by Hercules, a legendary hero of Greek mythology. B. Olympia. The games were held in the sacred region of Olympia, situated in the western Peloponnese, where a grand temple of Zeus stood. Athletic competitions. A. Running events. The most prestigious event was the Stadion race, a sprint of about 200 meters. Other running events included longer races such as the Dialis, twice the distance of the Stadion, and the Dolichos, ranging from 7 to 24 laps. B. Combat sports. Ancient Olympics featured various combat sports, including wrestling, boxing, and pankration. A mix of boxing and wrestling, with very few rules. C. Equestrian events. Chariot races and horseback riding competitions showcased the equestrian skills of the participants. D. Pentathlon. A 5-event competition that combined discus throwing, long jump, javelin throw, stadion race, and wrestling. E. Other competitions. The ancient Olympics also included non-athletic contests, such as music, poetry, and artistic performances. Participation and eligibility. A. Male exclusivity. The ancient Olympics were open only to freeborn Greek men. Married women, foreigners, and enslaved individuals were not allowed to participate or even watch the games. B. Truce and safe passage. To ensure the safety of participants and spectators, a sacred truce called the Olympic Peace was declared before and during the games, allowing athletes and visitors to travel safely to Olympia. Significance and legacy. A. Athletic excellence. The ancient Olympics celebrated physical strength, skill, and competitive spirit, encouraging participants to strive for excellence in their chosen events. B. Pan-Hellenic unity. The games fostered a sense of unity among the Greek city-states, as athletes and spectators from different regions came together to compete and celebrate. C. Cultural exchange. The ancient Olympics provided an opportunity for cultural exchange and interaction among athletes, promoting understanding and camaraderie.